Introduction. Welcome to Bike Expert. Today we're diving into one of the most anticipated car revivals in Indian automotive history, the 2026 Hindustan Ambassador. Once a symbol of power, prestige, and reliability, the Ambassador is making a grand comeback with a futuristic design and modern technology. How does this legendary car fit into the 21st century? Let's find out. A modern take on a classic icon. The Hindustan Ambassador has been an inseparable part of India's automotive history since its introduction in the 1950s. It served as the car of politicians, bureaucrats, and taxi drivers alike. However, production stopped in 2014, leaving a void in the hearts of car lovers. Now, with its revival in 2026, the new Ambassador brings back nostalgia while embracing a sleek and futuristic look. The classic boxy shape has been replaced by an aerodynamic yet muscular body. A bold LED grille, slim matrix headlights, and premium alloy wheels give it a distinct presence on the road. Despite these upgrades, the car still retains some signature design elements that remind us of its glorious past. Powerful performance and EV revolution. One of the biggest surprises of the 2026 Ambassador is its electric powertrain. The world is shifting towards sustainable mobility, and Hindustan Motors has ensured that their iconic sedan keeps up with the times. The new Ambassador is expected to feature a dual-motor electric setup delivering around 350 horsepower, making it significantly more powerful than its predecessor. The expected 500+ K range on a single charge will put it in direct competition with modern EV sedans. Fast charging support allows it to go from 10% to 80% in just 30 minutes, making long journeys convenient. For those who prefer internal combustion engines, a hybrid variant might also be available, providing the perfect balance between power and efficiency. Luxury, comfort, and technology. The 2026 Ambassador is designed not just for power, but also for comfort. The cabin is a blend of luxury and technology, featuring a fully digital cockpit with AI-based voice assistants, premium leather seats with massage and ventilation functions, augmented reality heads-up display, HUD, advanced driver assistance systems, ADAS, for enhanced safety. This is no longer just a government car, it's a premium sedan that rivals global luxury brands. Is the 2026 Ambassador the future of Indian cars? With its iconic name, modern design, electric performance, and luxurious features, the new Ambassador has the potential to become India's flagship luxury sedan once again. It will compete with high-end EVs while keeping its